What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys the whole swap on my IS300, from pulling the motor to literally me painting the valve covers and all that jazz. But before we get to that, I really, from the bottom of my heart, really appreciate every single one of you guys for watching my videos and just supporting me on all this video stuff. If you guys don't want to listen to this, here's a little time that you can click on, not click on that, but skip to that for the whole video. So I just want to say thank you, and and also a little shameless plug, came out with these. So if you guys want to cop one of these, DM me on Instagram. I can also ship if you are in the USA. But yeah, Instagram right here, and go cop you guys one of these stickers. But yeah, so back to what I was saying. I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart with all the support you guys show me, and I do read your guys' comments, and it just really touched me. Like, for me pushing out these videos. From these past couple videos, I see you guys really enjoy them, and that really means a lot to me. I was just talking to one of you guys, like, you guys were willing to drive all the way to Canada just to get one of these stickers, and hey, you know who you are, so I really appreciate you. I am still getting used to being in front of the camera. I'm always behind it, so a lot of time when I do record, I feel really awkward, but you guys really make that a lot easier. Like, there's no other words to really describe it. Like, every single time you guys enjoy one of my videos, I just appreciate it so much, and I really thank you guys so much for just staying in this journey with me. Like, I came to the realization that I really do want to do this full time, and also just everything that you guys. Hi, how are you? Not bad, not bad. I see that you guys really enjoy the IS300 content, so let me know what other content you want me to make, like a full build sheet, or like, I don't know, just anything you guys want. Just let me know, DM me, put in the comments below what you guys want to see. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the montage, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.
Is that a pretty clean motor?
Yeah.
You haven't seen it yet, have you?
No, I have
My
not.
bad.
That's not.
Brought you in sooner.
Yeah. Alright, well just like that, we made it to PSI tuning. We got the IS right here already.
We're down here in Portland today. Superior Subaru Jason is going to be tuning this IS300. We're gonna pull it on the dyno. We already have the bass map on it. Panic sent us the bass map, but Jason will go through set best bass timing, and then we're gonna push it a little bit. So there's a few different. We're not gonna go crazy with it, but we're gonna go a little higher than conservative. So excited to see what it makes.
I don't know what's going on with this thing. It was fine like every time, and then the one time it needs to go, like run good. Do it again. Do it again. Give me a good dance move. Good. This week's episode, we do a 100 minutes into